Hi, I'm Jordan from Stafford Motor Match, and this is the Vauxhall Astra Turbo VX line. It really is a fantastic car. It is a 1.4 petrol manual that has only had 2 previous owners. Now you've got LED daytime running lights on the exterior, as well as 18-inch alloy wheels in this silver finish. It complements the chrome window surrounds amazingly and brings all the little details of the exterior together to make a truly unmissable car. Now, even though this is quite a small car, there is still loads of boot space available to you. Easily lifting up the boot with one press and a lift, you can see how much space is available. Great for large and long objects, as well as things like prams, shopping or luggage when going away on holiday. You can fit anything in this boot and it's completely up to you. If that's not enough room though, you can also fold the rear seats forward to create that extended boot to give you that option. Lifting up the boot flooring, you've got underboot storage where you can keep a spare tyre, as well as any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency. And it doesn't ruin the overall look of the car as it is neatly hidden away, just adding another fantastic feature which is included with this car. Into the rear seats now, you can see they're made out of a half black, half grey upholstery, really just adding an amazing and stylish look. They also are amazingly comfortable, so if you need to go on long journeys, you will have no problem at all. Onto the passenger side now, you have got this black piano trim that runs along the door panelling, as well as continues onto the dashboard, really making this car something special. Just like in the rear, you have got the half black, half grey cloth upholstery seats, just completing the whole look of the vehicle and providing the utmost comfort. You'll also be able to see that this car has done 34,750 miles, so there's plenty of miles left for this car to do. You've also got the multifunction steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all with your fingers and without even having to take your hands off the steering wheel. Down here you have got sport mode as well as lane assist, so it's another great high-tech feature to make this driving that much more amazing. Here is your climate control. Now you can see that I'm adjusting the other dials easily, and especially with the buttons, I will have no problem at all with changing the temperature of this car quickly. Above that is your touchscreen display. You can see you've got stuff like phone, projection, audio, gallery, and then the overall settings of the car. Phone means that you can connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth to receive or make calls, as well as listen to your own music. So it's great for connecting your car to the phone, and you won't even have to pick your phone to do this. Onto radio, you can see that you've got FM, AM and DAB, as well as media for USB and Bluetooth. So it gives you a lot of different options to listen to your own music as well as radio stations. So that was the Vauxhall Astra Turbo VX line that is now available at Stafford Motor Match. If you like the look of this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more, then you can give us a call on 01785 218 297.